Okay. Oh, okay. Quite bright, my skin. Wow. Welcome, ladies and gents. Today, I have an unboxing to do. Let me try and zoom it out. Nah, I'll zoom it like this. You know, you see everything. My room is tidy. My room is titch. Okay, so, without further ado, this is what I had previously. The iPhone 17. So, drum rolls, please. Where's my pen knife? What's like that customer service music? Sorry, play that in the background. Whilst I open what's in here. Well, this is the package, but what do we have here? We shall see. Okay. So, this is what I have before, or had before, or still have. Drum rolls, please. Ba-da! So, I have just got the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. And to be fair, this is the phone I originally wanted to get before Dios. Well, when I wanted to get Dios, this was the only one that was available at the time, supposedly. And I think Apple are rumored to be releasing their first fold phone. But to be honest, I don't want to fold. Because yeah, I did consider getting the Samsung Fold 7 and stuff like that before, but I'm like, I need to stop chopping and changing, because I'm one of those like Android, Apple, Android, Apple, Android, Apple. And I've been doing that for like 10 or so years, and I'm tired. So the past few years I've stuck with Apple exclusively. I did switch